We have something different today. This is a candle advent calendar from Lovery. It's a woman-owned business. You get 12 candles, one for each month of the upcoming year. How neat is that? So this is a good time to subscribe to our channel because we will be giving updates upcoming in our shorts feed each month on each candle. Let's take a look at what we have got. There's a calendar in which we get a bit of a description as well as a functional calendar, but a bit of a description about the candles. There is also, as a free gift, if I can find it, there it is, a nice little, I mean, it's not real gold, yet a nice pen, and I checked it out. It writes very nicely. Excited for that. These are single wick candles. Opening the box smelled lovely. Oh, wow, it was neat. And they all have a little protector on top. That's good in case it got too hot in transit. It would help keep the wax in. Better in than out. True. So this will be the candle that we try January 2026. I think that's the first time I've said that. Oh, whoa. This was eucalyptus. That's the scent of the month for January. February is called Sweet Romance. It is rose scented. March for springtime is Tea Tree Fresh Awakening. April is lavender, and although not our favorite, we still might give it a try. And this one is Spring Blossom. Next up is Gardenia, also known as Floral Delight. I'm looking forwards to this one. This is Summer Escape Coconut. Oh wow, that does sound nice. Yes, it does. In July, they have Sunny Burst, which is a citrus blend. Next is Tropical Blend, Hibiscus. September gives us Autumn Harvest. Looks like apple cinnamon. Ooh, that's gonna be a good one. October is called Mystic Magic. Ooh, intriguing. And its fragrance is, I just checked, pumpkin spice. Next is a Cozy Comfort of Vanilla. Ooh, that's gonna be a good one, I think. Yeah, that does sound good. And the December calendar is Peppermint. Ah, that'll be another good one. Look forwards to using these. We did notice as we were going through this list in the calendar, this is a 2025 calendar. So that might explain why we were able to find this at a discounted price. In all honesty, a dated calendar is not the purpose of why I bought this. I bought this to get different candles to try out. And like I said earlier, we're going to try them each month, and then there will be a short, and there's information about the scent. That's what I was looking for, was the information. So what scent or scents were you attracted to? Most of them I think we're gonna like. There's a few I don't know about, but we're willing to try. That's all you can do, is give it a try when you got something new. So very true. And like I said, Lovery is founded and owned by a woman. That's always nice to support that type of business. We got ours for $68 at an online outlet mall. So $68 each candle is $5.67. Not a bad price for a small, I think they're maybe 2 ounces, 1.5 ounces. A value of $240. Nordstrom, oh boy, Nordstrom. They wanted $100 for this calendar, which would be $8.33 a day, which still is not bad, but if you can get it at a discount, get it at a discount. Yeah, and there's nothing wrong. I looked over, I mean, the candles seem intact. They're not falling out of the containers. The glass that they're in is not broken. It's perfectly fine. It was very well packaged. The packaging was nicely done. So I think I'm looking at my notes. Oh, on their website, Lovery.com, the candles are usually around $40 to $45 in that vicinity. So I'm tickled to get to try some of these at a much lesser cost and maybe find some ones that I like. How about you? Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that stuff, because you want to find out what we think of these things. We'll do a short. I think we said that already. I think we did, maybe like 2 or 3 times now. We've done so many Advents. I think our poor little brains are turning to mush. And I think we might have a couple more coming. I think you might be right. Thanks for your time today. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be quiet now. You know the routine. Hope to see you soon.